Let me show you how to set up the Keboola MCP server for use with Cursor. First, click the Try It Now button. Next, select the Cursor section to view the instructions. Here, click Add to Cursor, which will open the application on your computer. Cursor will open in the MCP Setup section, with the details already pre-filled. All we need to do is click the Install button. Now, let's authorize Cursor to access Keboola. Since we already logged into the Keboola platform, we simply select the project we want Cursor to work with. Once that is done, we are redirected back to Cursor. A green light confirms the setup was successful. Finally, we can open the chat box and start prompting with full access to your Keboola project. As you can see, the connection is working. Cursor detects it and confirms the details. So let's start coding.